Let's see how to bold text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to emphasize certain words in our document. And to do that, we have to set them into bold. And to do that, simply highlight the words that you want to turn into bold, just like that. And to turn it bold, simply click on this icon right here in the font section of the Home tab. And when you click that, your highlighted text should automatically turn into the bold format. You can also click Control B on your keyboard to make this a bit more faster, since you don't have to go back and forth to click the bold option in the font section anymore. And that is how you can turn your text bold in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.